Okay, so now let's configure the distribution switches for layer 3. So what we're going to do to start, so here's a picture of the distribution, and then this is the layer 3 topology, showing what we're going to do and configure based on this lab design. So first let's globally turn on router OSPF. We want to add, we're going to configure router OSPF and add this to area 1. We're going to use OSPF for dynamic routing between the distribution and the core. The core at the district office will be the member of the backbone area and all the subsequent areas that it connects to, in this case area 1. So what we've just done is underneath each VLAN that we're using at that school, we've turned on, we've configured a router interface using the router interface command, and that's going to be the IP interface that's used by the campus devices for routing, or it's going to be their default gateways. That's what we just built. And underneath now that we built the router interfaces, now we can configure them. So we go to the interface level configuration of each interface, or each VE, virtual router interface, and we're going to give it an IP address. We're going to give it an OSPF configuration. We're going to add it to area 1. We are going to give it an IP helper, so DHCP services can be reached over layer 3 boundaries. We're also going to turn on the interfaces, on the virtual router interfaces, the VEs, that connect or that are the gateways for campus, the school devices. We're going to make those passive OSPF interfaces, so they're advertised into OSPF, but they're not using any management overhead. So this is the configuration. What I just have done so far is all of the layer 3 configuration for the gateway services, and now I need to do the layer 3 configuration for the point-to-point connection